Today, we are going to learn how to use Seedance 2.0 completely free, step by step, so make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome browser and type Dola AI. Click the first link. We have to create an account, so I click on Login button. Now I choose Google, select my Gmail account. OK, then click Continue. Confirm my age above 18. OK, my account is created. In bottom center, I customize my video aspect ratio 9:16. Here you can see the model and duration. Now I paste my video prompt into the input field. Now I click the arrow sign to generate the video. It starts generating. For heavy load, it takes time. Normally, it takes 1 to 3 minutes to generate video. Our video is ready. Let's play it.
After many years of life, I understand that success grows slowly, just like a farm. You must work with patience, believe in your journey, and continue planting good actions every day. The results may take time, but the harvest will always be worth the effort.
Wow, it's nice. We can generate 3 videos per day using this point.